president of the Jaintia Students Movement, S. Rambai, while speaking to newspersons today, informed that till date there has been no development as such in Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya, with special reference to East Jaintia Hills. He also expressed dissatisfaction over representatives of the area who have not done much to contribute towards development of the entire district.
Keren ya kataga pendek pensak ya kataga memorial te kalong pade na kompong yangi kinong Jaintia ngadon stay namar hamala usnem hamala katem akini kinong mikmat kijong ki ju ikren malakopor gajing deban yada ya memorial jong lambangi ju yo iba kamju seso na kata daw ngine le kasing Jaintia Student Movement wan ne kasing ban pau sha kabrih nyo trip ba nimsyo hap ha gajing dei ba gini kinom khmat ki jong ki khang lenti ha gajing dei bat ka development jong ka state ki jong bat ka district khamtam ki jong rai phi kum ki nong thok bor jong ka Meghalaya ki jong pilayo I hingi tu banai balai ru ngila de blech po huroi bat hauni ubnai khatwe ru sorry bunai chperu ngila de blech huroi hagi jinge de bat tu suron bala siu da ki life house of house na miswa de bat minister per ngeju ikendo bat ngeju pharu ya kikon chaka department ki jokti wacha deputy CM ru ngila de pha te hagi jinge de bat katangi la de pular hiru ya kasinong huroi bat hengria ya kitu bisnong sto bala da ka sarkar kam chimphia ya gani tengi hikum kaseng ngila de pembai hiru hagani ka last general meeting jongi ngin le himangi sekretari jaka ngin marmot no mangi ya kutu ga suro abang ikran bat minister of fair ki ombe bomdon kata ka pisa banthau ya kata ka government college po Jaintia te kiju purpose hiru ba ban ya kutu ka Jaintia Eastern College ban pelong kumka community college tengi hinile ka Jaintia Student Movement ngin priang ya kata buat ka every central executive committee ru ngila shong te ngimju priang ya kata ka community college te menta bajia kum kani ka pandemic mo lockdown tingim yo shu ban shong tang ka meeting ru bat ki youth ki jongi ki student ki jongi te ngila de pambai ru ha uni usnam arzar apoi ngila karpat jor ya ka sarkar kene gede ka last message ya ka state government ke jongi gede ban ai karai ka bapakka ya ka Jaintia kala nem ban nyo ingi kata ka government college